We found that working with the Jackie Jones team was effortless. Jackie brought in everyone that we needed to help get all the work done, including installing light fixtures, painting. She brought in all of her own materials for the decorations. So really we just had to give her a budget, which she worked within, and she took care of everything, and she totally nailed it.
Yeah.
So
she did it within 2 days, and she actually came in under budget, so I was amazed. When we first got started, we decluttered our house and we looked around and thought, yeah, this is a nice house, this is totally fine, this will sell. So when Jackie came in, she suggested a few minor changes, which I was really against. I'm the worst customer to have because I don't like spending money. But she actually explained everything on how it was going to impact the price I would get for my home, what the point of it was to bring in people, the importance of how a house takes photographs, numerous other things as well. And by the end of it, I totally bought in, I went with it, gave her her budget, and then her and her team did everything, and we couldn't believe the change that we saw. After we walked back into our house and Jackie and the team had worked on it, we were talking afterwards and we said, should we just list our house really high so it doesn't sell and then we get to keep all this stuff and live here? That's how nice it looked. It was a completely different home.
So we were really anxious to get listed and get our house sold so we could go buy our dream home. And we were really nervous about what we could sell for, so we listed it really competitively with the advice of Jackie Jones. And on the first day on the market, we had 5 showings, 2 offers, and 1 was firm. So we sold immediately. We were super excited, jumping up and down, really happy. And honestly, we could not have done it so seamlessly without Jackie. From the moment we decided to buy a house, decided we wanted to move, and the day we're actually moving, it's about a month and a half. So she does quick work and she works within your time frames and your budget, and we just have nothing but good things to say. I would highly recommend the Jackie Jones team, even just in conversation and talks with my parents and Ryan's parents. They're like, wow, like we're definitely going to be listing with them if we ever sell. So I would definitely recommend them. If I'd recommend them to my family and friends, I would definitely recommend them to you.